The Friendship of the Forest. Once upon a time, deep in a lush green forest, there lived a variety of animals. Among them were Benny the bear, Sally the squirrel, and Timmy the turtle. They were the best of friends, always exploring and playing together under the tall trees. One day, while playing near the river, they found an old rope bridge. It looked weak and dangerous, but the animals were curious. Benny, being strong, wanted to cross first. Sally, the quickest, was excited but scared, and Timmy, though slow, wanted to make sure his friends were safe. As Benny started across, the bridge creaked under his weight. He was almost halfway when one of the ropes snapped. Benny froze, afraid to move. Sally quickly darted across the bridge and stood beside Benny, whispering, "You can do it, Benny. We're with you." Meanwhile, Timmy, though slow, was thinking. He found a vine and carefully looped it around the broken part of the bridge, pulling it tight with all his strength. "It's safe now," he called. With Sally's encouragement and Timmy's help, Benny carefully moved forward, and they all made it to the other side. From that day on, Benny realized that being strong wasn't always about muscles. It was about trusting and relying on his friends. Sally learned that courage could come in the face of fear, and Timmy saw that even if you're slow, you can still play a big part in helping others. Together, the three friends knew that their bond was their greatest strength, and they continued their adventures with even stronger friendship.